how to create an edu email address. But first of all, I'd like to give you a bit of an explanation on how an .edu domain works. So it is basically an email address typically for a student, a faculty, or staff member that is affiliated with a post-secondary educational institution and ends with .edu, which is the actual domain. Now, you won't be able to easily obtain that specific domain because it will only be given from the school itself. So the functions for it are literally all the informations that you needed for school, like assignments, modules, or any presentation that is specifically for school only. Now, there are alternative ways for you to be able to obtain one, but will not be the .edu domain specifically. So you could actually take part and use the 10 minutes temporary email, such as using your Google Chrome, which is going to be this one. But unfortunately, you will only be using this for 10 minutes. So you just need to have those specific information that needed to be downloaded. And if you don't want to provide your personal email, you can actually use this. However, if you would like to make this, we'll be using this in the long run. What you can do is just to log in into your Google Mail account, and then at the top right portion of your Google Mail, click on your current account and then choose on add account. And this is where you can create an account which will be affiliated to your personal account. And those are the things that you can do for you to be able to create an .edu email.